Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and we are going to discuss our next interview question. And the question is, what do you mean by data encapsulation? So what is data encapsulation? If you go by the word, it talks about a capsule, right? Data encapsulation, think of it like a capsule. And what is a capsule? Capsule, if you remember, it consists of few items that is put together. So that is exactly what data encapsulation means. So data encapsulation is an object-oriented programming concept, okay, which basically tells you that we are hiding the data attributes and their behaviors in a single unit. So what is class? Class is an example of data encapsulation because class consists of the data members or data attributes, you can call it as, plus it has methods defined in it, right, which are nothing but the behavior. What we do is we encapsulate them, we bind them together inside of a class. In Java, everything is a class, right? You start with a class, and then within the class you define the data members, and then also you define a method. Basically you define attributes and the methods, which is nothing but that tells you the behavior. So it is a single unit. Class is a single unit which consists of attributes and members or methods. And that is what is called as data encapsulation. What it does, it helps the developers to follow a modularity approach. Means everything is a module. Every class has its own unit, while developing software by ensuring that each object is independent of other objects by having its own methods, attributes, and functionalities. So that is what data encapsulation is. It is also used for the security of the private properties of an object and hence serves the purpose of data hiding. Okay, so what is data encapsulation? Basically binding the data members or nothing but the data attributes and the methods together in a single unit, which is called class, is called as data encapsulation. And basically everything in Java starts from a class, right? And what does the class has? Class has variables, instance variables, and it has methods and constructors all together binded in a single unit called class. And that is what data encapsulation means. As you can see here, looks like a capsule. It has variables as well as it has methods, and together it becomes what? It becomes class. And it also gives you that hiding of the data members and variables inside of that class. Okay, so this is our question for our interview preparation course. We have several of these questions coming up in the next upcoming lectures. I hope you are loving this course as much as I'm doing while preparing it, and I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.